Hi, my name is Natalia, and I absolutely love my curly hair. The only problem that I have is whenever I try to straighten it at home, or if I even get a professional blowout, it always reverts back to that natural wave that it has, especially in humidity. So today I'm gonna try the Extra Strength Dream Coat and see how well it holds a slick, silky, straightened look. So this is how I use it. I start with freshly washed hair and I saturate it from root to tip. It's really important that you completely saturate your hair from root to tip. Now that I've completely saturated my hair, I'm going to blow dry it with heat and tension. After I'm done blow drying, I really love to flat iron my hair for enhanced results. Just make sure you keep it under 380. So these are my final results using the Extra Strength Dream Coat. My hair has never been this silky and shiny, and the humidity and frizz protection lasts up to 3 washes. Check it out, let me know what you think.